possibly one of the most anticipated tools in Milwaukee history, and now it's here. The M18 fuel track saw.
As you might expect with this track saw, Milwaukee sticks with a 6.5-inch blade diameter. The brushless motor and high output batteries achieve a 6,300 RPM top blade speed, and that's going to give you cleaner cuts even with high tooth count blades and hardwoods. Now, Milwaukee told us this thing is capable of making cuts in 2-inch oak or walnut without bogging down the blade, and sure enough, we ran this tool and it cut through some thick hardwood with no problem at all. One feature that was a pleasant surprise to us was the variable speed dial. With it, you can bring the blade speed all the way down to 2,500 RPM or back up to the highest speed, 6,300 RPM that we mentioned earlier. And that's going to let you match the speed to the material that you're cutting. Weight isn't usually a huge concern for track saws. In fact, having a bit of weight can actually help you glide through your cut. Without a battery, the Milwaukee weighs 9.8 pounds. Now add that 6 amp hour high output, and it's going to weigh about 12.1. Of course, you can also connect this saw to Milwaukee's new line of wet dry vacs, and that's going to give you over 90% of dust collection. Keep your workspace cleaner and leave less dust for you to breathe in or clean up. The 2831 boasts a 2.25-inch cutting depth, and you can bevel from -1 degrees to 48 degrees. There's also a built-in riving knife that automatically extends when you plunge the saw down. It's going to be tough to take advantage of this track saw's capabilities without guide rails, so Milwaukee's got a full suite of them to choose from. The rails come in 31, 55, and even 106-inch varieties, and they make a long carrying bag that fits both the 31 and the 55-inch tracks. Now, as you might expect, Milwaukee Tool is also launching a line of track saw-specific 6.5-inch blades, and that includes a 42-tooth fine finish blade, a 40-tooth finish blade, 24-tooth general purpose, a 52-tooth laminate blade, and a 4-tooth fiber cement blade. Milwaukee's new track saw is going to cost $599 when it hits retailers this October, and that price includes the saw, a 6 amp hour high output battery, a multi-voltage charger, and it all comes in a nice pack-out toolbox. So far, we're pretty impressed with this saw. It has a good amount of power, it glides smoothly, it's got the features you want. We're looking forward to getting this thing in our shop to do further testing and provide a full review to you as soon as possible. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss it, and give us a like on the video if you're excited for this new track saw. Have any questions we didn't answer? We'll leave those in the comments below, and be sure to check out the rest of our coverage from Milwaukee Pipeline 2022. And as always, thanks for watching.